Geographical position. The United Kingdom of Great Britain and Northern Ireland is situated in the British Isles. It is surrounded by water from all sides. The British Isles are separated from the continent by the English Channel and Strait of Dover in the south and the North Sea from the east. The British Isles consist of two large islands and they are divided by the Irish Sea. And there are other small islands. The area of Great Britain is 244,000 square kilometers. Any place of Great Britain is situated not more than 100 to 120 kilometers from the seashore. Climate. Great Britain has a mild climate. So the winter isn't very cold and summer isn't very hot. It can rain in any season of the year. The weather conditions are very changeable in Britain. Animals. The animal life became poor because many forests disappeared. Many animals like bears, boars, deer, wolves, elks became almost extinct. You can see foxes, otters, hedgehogs, moles, some birds. There are also some seabirds which nest near the coast.